Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, if you guys aren't sure where we are, we're up on top of the Swan Reserve, guys. Now, this is that new hotel that they just got done building not that long ago, and this is a look at just the pool today. So we're getting a lot of these requests. We're getting them out there for you. You guys can see the pool's got the misters on the one side. It's kind of like a big fan sheet pool. You know, it's a decent size pool for a hotel and stuff. It doesn't have a lot to offer. It does got seating around the outside. It looks like they put these little reserve sections in the back there, so I'm guessing you pay a little extra and you can reserve one of them, guys. I'm going to point the camera up at the building so you know which one it is. It's the one, that new one with all the blue and white triangles on it, and it looks like this right there, guys. It's a very pretty hotel. It's next to the Swan, the Dolphin, and the boardwalk. But here's another look at all the umbrellas around the outside, and you got some little reservation areas here. So it's like set up like a big fan, same depth as all the pools on property. You do got these misters, they're kind of cool. You are way out in the open though. There's no shade around on this. You got a little bit in the pool, it looks like, from the one palm tree, but other than that, there's not a lot really to look at in the pool for shade, so you guys are going to be out here getting hot. But you know, it's got some ample room. It's got the handicap accessible seating and stuff like that. Looks like they got a couple of tubes out there. I'm not sure if they're people's tubes or theirs, but this is the Swan Reserve Pool, guys. And we'll see you guys on the next one.